In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer-created product bundles to your Shopify store. We're going to use a Shopify app called Bundler, Product Bundles, and I'll walk you through everything you need to do step by step. First, head over to your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click on it, and in the drop-down, choose Apps. In the search field, type Bundler and press Enter. This will open the Shopify App Store. Look for Bundler Product Bundles and install the app. Follow the installation prompts all the way through. Once it's installed, make sure the app embed and product page status are enabled in your theme editor. You can do this either before or after creating a bundle, but it must be turned on for the bundles to show on your storefront. Next, go into Bundler's dashboard. Here, click on Create Bundle. You'll see different bundle types. Look for Mix and Match Bundle and select it. This is what will allow your customers to build their own product combinations. Now you can start editing your bundle. Under General Information, customize the bundle name, the bundle title, and the description. Use clear wording so customers understand exactly what the offer is. Then, move to the widget field section. Here, you can edit the total price template, the call to action button text, and the small line of text that appears under the button. This is a great place to reinforce the value of the bundle or remind customers about savings. Under bundle settings, set the priority sequence. A lower number means a higher priority. Choose the bundle status, either active or paused. Pause settings is useful if you want to temporarily stop applying discounts and hide the bundle from your shop. Decide whether to show the bundle widget, hide it everywhere, or hide it only on product pages. You can also schedule when the bundle is active, apply it to subscriptions and pre-orders, and choose how many renewals the discount should apply to, from just the first order up to unlimited renewals. In discount combinations, decide whether this bundle can be combined with product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts by checking or unchecking the boxes. If you want to match the look of your brand, go to the Settings section in Bundler's sidebar and adjust the colors used in the widget. Now configure your discount type. You can choose a percentage discount, a fixed amount, set specific discounts on products, use a fixed bundle price, or even have no discount at all if you're just grouping products. There's also an option to give free shipping on the whole order when customers meet the bundle requirements. Next, choose the bundle product level. Product level will display variants in a drop-down under each product, while variant level will show each variant as its own item in the bundle. Under discounted product bundles, click Select Products. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the products you want in your bundle. After selecting them, click. Add in the lower right corner. You'll see the products appear in the widget preview on the right side of the screen. If you want to include more products, click Select Products again and repeat the process until you've added everything you need. Then set your discount conditions. You can require customers to buy all products in the bundle, to buy a minimum or maximum number of items from the bundle, or to buy certain non-discounted products. Adjust the minimum and maximum number of items so the bundle works exactly how you want. You can also edit the landing page content for the bundle and choose whether that content appears before or after the bundle section. This is a good place to tell the story behind the offer or provide instructions. Once you're happy with all your settings, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. After saving, double check your storefront to confirm that the bundle appears and behaves the way you expect.